Welcome to Wally Sap's YouTube channel, working with technologies smoothly. HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript tutorial 4 out of 50 HTML elements with text formatting. Topics in this tutorial: strong, bold, italic, emphasized, marked, small, deleted, inserted, subscript, and superscript. This is the previous tutorial file, HTML5 page. I want to open it in Notepad++. Right click on the file, then choose edit with Notepad++. Okay, so this is the previous code. So I did one mistake here, just backslash. Hope you did it correct. By the way, today I want to show some elements that have a special characteristic text formatting. Okay, so first of all I want to change the title HTML5 text formatting. Okay, so run the page, double click. This is the code and this is output in browser. Okay, I open both file side by side. So let's start it. B, this is bold text. Okay, Control S, then refresh the page. This is bold text. This is the simple paragraph text and this is bold text. Okay, then strong, this is strong text. It is also as like bold. Control S. Okay, both are same. Then italic, I, and em emphasize. This is emphasize text. Yeah. Also, both are same, italic and emphasize. Okay, next. Then mark. This is mark text. Control S. Then refresh the page. This is mark text. Okay. Background yellow color. So then the small. This is the small text. Refresh. This is small text. Okay. Then del means deleted. This is deleted text. Del ins means inserted text. This is inserted text. INS. Okay. Refresh the page. This is deleted text. This is inserted text. Inserted means underline. Okay. So now subscript, text, and this is superscript text sub. Okay, now refresh the page. This is subscript, means position is the bottom and the subscript text position upper. Okay, not top. So where we can use superscript or subscript, we know that H2O, the formula of water, is 2O. So if we want to formula, uh, 2 is bottom, so we can keep it in the paragraph tag, paragraph elements, H2O sub, subscript. Okay, sub. Control S, then refresh the page. Okay, H2O, the formula of water. So this is the display, only the inner HTML. This is inner HTML and showing the browser, but code doesn't show. If we can see the code, simply Control U, paste source. Okay, all HTML code same. This code and this code same. We can see the view source code, Control U or right click on the page, then view page source. Okay. Okay. So one question I have, mm, this element, paragraph element and heading element are single line, and these elements all are side by side. Why? The, I will discuss more about it another tutorial. So I just say here, this is the inline element. These are all inline element, and this is the block level elements. Okay, so I will discuss more about later.